Hello there. I'm happy to introduce myself. I'm going to try to keep these videos very real, not super polished and formal. I think that's kind of an indication of the kind of person that I am. My name is Kelly Price, and you can call me Kelly. I'm totally cool with that. Professor Price is a little bit formal, but I know that some students prefer that. That's okay too. KP is also okay. I am, in terms of pronouns, her, hers, she. Some other things that I feel like you should know about me include the fact that I have been teaching for about 20 years. I teach primarily at the high school level, upper level college courses at the high school. And a few years ago, I started teaching at Tunxus and love it. When we went to online learning in mid-March, it was a huge transition, I think, for a lot of people. I learned a lot about the process and got a lot of feedback from students, both at the high school and at my Tunxus course. And I'm feeling like one of the big things is that sense of connection that we all want. And I think in a writing course like this, it's really important. So I will make an effort to get to know you as an individual, and hopefully you can cultivate some relationships with your peers as well, because being in a writing community really helps you become a better writer. I love writing. I love reading. That's why I'm an English teacher, but I understand that not everyone is in that same boat. So I'm going to try to make it as interesting and engaging as possible for you. And I want to learn a lot about your history as readers and writers. And so that's going to be one of the first assignments that I asked you to do after this introduction. And I feel like I should tell you that I'm going to try to do a video like this, oftentimes with my screen that I'll share. So I'll be like a little talking in the corner head. And I'm going to try to walk you through each week what's expected. But the first few weeks, I want to meet live with you on Blackboard. So hopefully you're either familiar with or becoming familiar with Blackboard, so that you will access the collaborative button there, and that will take you into our live classroom. And in the first few weeks, I want to walk you through navigation and answer questions and kind of get us rolling. And then we'll make some decisions about whether we need to continue meeting live every time. I tend to doubt it. Once everybody's kind of comfortable with how things are going to roll, I think we'll be meeting once a week, and then maybe on some weeks not meeting live. But that's all out in front of us. So for now, I do want to invite you to introduce yourself, tell us what you want us to call you, your pronouns as well, anything that you feel might be interesting and surprising or fun. I don't know that I'm all that interesting, to be honest, so nah, I'm just kidding. I do have, I think, a pretty fun sense of humor, so if you can make me laugh, that's always a bonus, especially in writing. It's hard to do. So anyway, I look forward to reading your introductions, and you'll be posting, and then your step 2 will be to read, watch, listen, whatever it is, to your peers, and then to respond to 2 people. So please make sure that you're looking at the course outline and checking those the dates to make sure that you're on track. Okay, so have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you and meeting you all very soon.